Hi, this is Alexander Vera for CIS 113M. Um, this is week's 3 video about which database when we looked at these diagrams, which ones we thought were the best. And I pulled up this diagram to the right over here, which gives us a couple of examples of relational, hierarchical, flat file model, object-oriented model, and a network model. Um, the one that's pretty much not useful, especially when it comes to huge bits of information or even medium bits of information, is the flat file model. Because with so much data being available, there's no way you can just fit it on one table and then just leave it and creating thousands of columns or whatever. Um, I think the relational model is good with the fact that it has keys that can point to different tables, and circling back, you know if you're looking for certain attributes or of a certain product or of a certain customer that might be somewhere else, you can look under there with the key. Um, I think a network model is good right here, from a child to parent, but also the parent being able to go to another, like, let's say there's the A side and the B side, and then there's A1 and uh, B2, and then A1 can point to something that B2 uh, is a parent of, as long as it's above uh, in file structure. The hierarchical model is pretty good, from a parent to child structure. Uh, it leaves a trace back to where it all begins. Everything is, tucked away nice and neat. So I'm not exactly sure what you meant by do a write up um, of the diagrams that we chose. I don't know if you want that to be the code. Um, so I'm just making the video for now. So, okay. Thank you.